Hello guys, let's end this transition by creating the final transition for this slide. I like to go easy, but like the previous slide, I'm going to use the same method as the previous slide. I'm going to select a color here, Don't forget they must be here, and then bring them and copy them here. Then select all of them and set the shape outline to none. Then for the color, this blue and this blue. And also I'm going to, they must be a different colors for your work to done. I'm going with red here and I'm going with yellow here. This is not yellow, some kind of orange. Then with green here. Now I just press Ctrl to copy these things and paste them here. Then I just simply need to change their position. I change them position. Sorry, I select morphing than I should, and then bring these two things here. Then just simply set the transition to morph. Let's see what is happening. The problem is that we need to change this color to not be the same as the color we have in the previous. Because of that, I'm going to change this thing to that color. Now when we want to see the last slide, it looks like this. But the main problem here is that we have a little here that I'm going to make it bigger to fix the problem. Now let's see how it looks like. It's look pretty amazing. Okay, if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe.